Hey guys, Unir here. Welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. Today we have an exciting new product for the Infiniti Q50 and Q60, our Z1 Aluminum Undershroud. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, if you have a Q50 or Q60, you definitely have one of these undershrouds in your car. They're only supposed to protect you from water and light damage, and as we go through this video, I'm going to show you guys why exactly you want to transition over to a Z1 Undershroud. If you guys ever change the oil on one of these cars, you have to remove this entire thing, and there's a lot of room to be desired for an upgrade on this car. So let's get into the box and see what we have. So we have a set of installation instructions, hardware pack, which also includes a riv nut tool, so you won't have to buy one. We have a series of panels. Here's your middle panel, which is vented as well. We have your front panel, which is also ventilated. And last but not least, we have the service panel for your oil changes. Now that we have it unboxed, let's get into detail more about this undershroud. So, as I mentioned, to do oil changes on the Q50 and Q60, you currently have to remove this entire panel. This little service door here is going to save you a lot of time and grief taking this panel off and just simply taking this off to be able to change your oil. Not only is it ventilated to allow some of that excess heat out of the engine bay, but it's also a really nice aluminum construction, which is also going to protect you from road debris and any kind of weather you want to throw at it. So the Z1 Undershroud is definitely a modification you want to get on your Q50 or Q60. All right guys, thanks for tuning in today. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below any products you'd like to see in future videos. This was actually a suggestion from one of our viewers, so we appreciate your input. Thanks so much for watching.